Good morning, kids. How are you all? Fine. I hope you all are doing well in this lockdown period. Yes. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself, isn't it? Yes. So I am Nisha ma'am and I am going to teach you English. Which subject I am going to teach you? English. So all of you open your semester book on page number 32. Page number 32. We are going to study a very interesting story today. The name of the lesson is Kata Goes Missing. Kata Goes Missing. The first thing that you have to do is you have to put the date on this page. Okay, I hope you all have taken out your books. On this page number, you have to open. Those who have not done, open fast. And those who have opened, you have to put the date. What is today's date? 6/7/20. Got it? Yes. Now the story is about a fish, a giant fish. Okay, giant means very big. Okay, but before starting this lesson, you have to follow 3 rules. Now what are those 3 rules? The first rule is you have to concentrate fully on what ma'am is saying. Okay? The second rule is you have to take a pencil in your hand, that is a sharpened one. You have to sharpen your pencils and hold it in your hand. The third rule is you have to mark all the difficult words which ma'am will say. You have to underline all the difficult words. Okay, so let's start the lesson. This page we are going to read it. Can you everybody see this? Yes, okay. Kata was a giant fish. Now see, this is Kata. Okay, and giant means very big. So underline the first difficult word, that is giant. Underline giant, everyone. Yes. It lived in the sea. It was very strong. Okay, Kata was a very strong fish and where did it live? It lived in the sea. It had a big round eyes and sharp teeth. Okay, underline sharp. Now how was Kata? Kata was big and it has round eyes. Kata has round eyes and very sharp teeth. How were the teeth of Kata? They were very sharp. There were many fishes in the sea of different colors. Yellow, red, blue, white and orange. Okay, now in the sea there were many fishes present and they all were having different colors. Some were of red color, some were of white color and some were of orange color. Okay, they were small and swam in groups. All other fishes were small than Kata. Kata was a very big fish, yes, but all these fishes were very small. Okay, and they were of different colors. Yes, they swam. They swam in different groups. Okay, they never swam alone. You always notice that small fishes always swim in different small groups. They never swim alone. Okay. Kata wanted to make friends with the other fishes. So third difficult word is friends. All of you underline friends. Yes. But they did not want to be friends with Kata because it was a giant fish. Yes. Now what happened? The other fishes, they did not want to be friends with Kata. Kata wanted to be friends with them. But they did not want to be friends with Kata. Now why so? Because they thought that Kata is very big. Yes, and we are very small. So how can we be friends? They were scared of Kata. Scared means they were frightened. They were afraid of Kata. So all of you underline scared. This is the fourth difficult word, scared. Okay? Scared. Whenever Kata would go near them, they would swim away. Kata felt lonely. Underline lonely. Now what is the meaning of lonely? Lonely means when nobody is around us. We are all alone. जब हम अकेले होते हैं, we are alone. Nobody is with us. So Kata, the same situation was with Kata also. Whenever Kata went to the small fishes and told them, I want to be friends with you, they all swim away from Kata. They told that no, we can't be friends with you because you are so big, and they were scared also of Kata. Okay, so this Kata was feeling very sad and it all became lonely. Kata became lonely. One evening, there was a storm in the sea. Now what is storm? Storm means tufan. Okay, what happened in the sea? There was storm in the sea. Underline storm, the sixth difficult word, that is storm. Yes. All the fishes wanted to save their lives. They formed a large group and hid behind huge rocks at the bottom of the sea. Now huge rocks. Huge also means big. Giant also means big. Huge also means big. Now what happened when there was storm in the sea? All the fishes wanted to save their lives. They all wanted to save themselves from the storm. Then what happened? They formed a large group. And they hid behind the huge rocks at the bottom of the sea. You know, the sea is very deep inside, and at the bottom of the sea there are very huge rocks. You all know what is rocks, isn't it? Underline rocks. Yes, at the bottom of the sea there are huge rocks, and what they did, all the fishes, they hid behind the rocks. See in the picture on page number 33 is also shows us the bottom of the sea, the picture of the bottom of the sea where so many fishes are there. Yes, and there are huge rocks. Can you see huge rocks? Yes, and many fishes, they hid behind these huge rocks. Okay, let's proceed. Now we will read page number 33, first paragraph. Okay, this one. Yes. When the storm was over, the fishes started playing. Now what happened? The storm has gone away. The storm is over. So now these small fishes came out of the rocks and they started playing. They were playing. Suddenly, a red fish. Which color fish? A red fish noticed something strange. Now what is strange? Underline strange first and I will tell you. Strange means something different. The red fish noticed something different. Now what was that? Let's see. Kata was not around. The red fish said, "Has anyone seen Kata? I have not seen it after the storm." Now what did the red fish notice? That Kata was not there in the sea. Kata was not there. Kata was missing. So the red fish said, "Has anybody seen Kata? Has anyone seen Kata? I have not seen it after the storm." Days passed. Kata could not be seen. Though Kata was not a friend of the small fishes, they started missing it. Now see, they were not friends of Kata, yes, but then also they were missing Kata. Yes. The orange fish said, "Kata is a nice fish. It is very big, but it never harmed us." Harmed means trouble. Kata was a big fish, but it did not trouble anybody. But Kata did not trouble the small fishes. So all of you underline harmed, the ninth difficult word, that is harmed. Yes. The white fish added, "You are right. Also, other big fish did not harm us because Kata was around and they were scared of it." Now what did the white fish say? The white fish said, "You are right. Kata was very big fish, but it did not harm us." And what happened? When Kata was around these small fishes, there were other fishes also in the sea, but they did not harm them. Why? Because they were also scared of Kata, because Kata was the biggest fish. Yes, Kata was very giant. Okay, so today we will study till here. All of you put a pencil mark on it, because tomorrow we are going to continue this story. Okay, today we will do only this much. And what is the homework for you all? You have to read this page, this lesson till this paragraph. Okay? Yes. So let's revise it fast. Plus you have to learn all these difficult words also. So let's revise it fast. Okay? The first difficult word is giant. Second is sharp. Third is friends. Fourth is scared. Fifth is lonely. Sixth is storm. Seventh is rocks. Eighth is strange. And ninth is harmed. So you will all have to learn these difficult words. Okay kids? Yes. So goodbye.